Okay, once again, we're trying to keep this accounting equation in balance, so we're going to start with a basic accounting equation, plug in the things we know, and solve for this unknown, which would be what is the equity at the end of the year. Here we go. We know, for example, that at the beginning of the year the assets were $157,000, so we'll plug them in near the top of this little rectangle. And we also know that at the beginning of the year, equity, owner's equity, was $117,750. So from that, we can figure out that also at the beginning of the year, we have liabilities of the difference between the assets and the owner's equity of $39,250. Okay, so this gets us a little closer to what we're looking for, which is the end of the year owner's equity. So it said that during the year, assets increased by $80,000 and liabilities increased by $45,000. So let's plug that in. Assets went up again $80,000 during the year, and liabilities went up $45,000 during the year. And we should now also know that if the change on the asset side was $80,000, then the change in total on the liability and owner's equity side's got to be $80,000. So therefore, the difference between the $80,000 worth of assets and the $45,000 increase during the year of liabilities means that during the year, owner's equity went up the difference, which would be $35,000. I have a question here to remind me, how much did owner's equity change during the year? Well, it went up, again, $35,000, which, if you notice, these two pieces together are going to equal a change, an increase of $80,000, and they're on the right side. And on the left side, we have that same $80,000 change. So, if what we're really looking for is the equity at the end of the year, all we have to do now is take the beginning owner's equity and combine the change, which was in this case a plus $35,000, to get the ending owner's equity of, let's see, would be $152,750.